always told me to write letters to all the people who'd ever hurt me and then burn them, which it made me feel a little better. I did that, but now what do I do with the letters?
I sacrificed a ton and I was freaking awesome.
Oh, and what did you ever sacrifice?
I gave everything. I gave my whole life.
You died in a hedonistic bender.
I'm not talking about my death. I'm talking about my life. I gave my whole life.
What's your name?
Warriors check. Clan. Favorite couple.
About a million reasons I bow down to pray.
Favorite boy.
For eternity, the waves will.
Favorite girl.
I've spent all of the love I saved. We were always a losing game.
Favorite Star Clan member.
The train ain't even left the station.
Favorite villain.
Go ahead.
Black.
work all night, I work all day to pay the bills I have to pay. Ain't it sad? And still there never seems to be a single penny left for me. That's too bad. In my dreams, I have a plan. If I got me a wealthy man, I wouldn't have to work at all. I'd fool around and have a ball. Money, 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 must be funny in a rich man's world.
No, we don't belong together. So you took the love from my arms into the arms of yours. But I really care for me.
Judas, Judah, Judas, Judah, Judas, Judah, Judas.
The sea is dark and cold, it vows to drag us down. Our feet forget the touch of peace and solid ground. We're barely floating now, we can't keep up this pace. Something must sink away. For you I'd sink away. We've clawed so desperately for a future out of reach, to keep our heads above the truth beneath our feet. I know we're only now prolonging what awaits. Love shapes a heartless fate. For you I'll sink away.
Like a stranger, what's with your behavior? Ooh, oh, say my name, say my name. If you love me, let me hear you. Say my name, say my name. I am dying to believe you. I feel alone in your arms. I feel you breaking my heart. Say my name, say my name. If you love me, let me hear you. Let me hear you. Let me hear you. Let me hear you.
got all of my love. So no, no, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I gotta bid you adieu to another.
They say I'm trouble, they say I'm bad. Fire in my belly, so don't make me mad.
A dirty no good, down to the bone. I'll take that trophy back to my zone.
So I got some mischief in my blood. My fashion's wicked, hands off my gloves.
They think I'm careless, a low-life hood. The times are changing, bad is the new good.
You fall in the name of love. When there's madness, when there's poison in your head, when the sadness leaves you broken in your bed, I will hold you in the depths of your despair. But it's all in the name of love. In the name of love. Name of love. In the name of love. Name of love. In the name of you fall. This was only gonna hurt if I warned you that the fire's gonna burn. Would you walk in? Would you let me do it first? Do it all in the name of love. Would you let me lead you even when you're blind? In the darkness, in the middle of the night, in the silence, when there's no one by your side, would you call in the name of love? In the name of love. Name of love. In the name of love. Name of love. In the name of
Me? Obsessed with you? Yes.
Give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold.
No regrets in meeting you, friend. Should the day ever come that we are not together, you will continue to shine like gold in my memories.
You look so nice in your shirt. It's sad because it just hurts. Take a look inside myself, recognize that I could be the eye of the storm. Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you really let me down slowly, let me down. Let me down, 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 down.
You never told me your name.
Why do you want to know my name?
I want to know who I'm looking at.
Comparison is killing me slowly. I think too much about kids who don't know me. I'm so sick of myself. Rather be anyone else. But jealousy.
And the sun is shining, hey, hey. Everything's perfect here, there's nobody crying. Nobody do. I got a bad feeling about you.
You must be right. This is an amethyst, except an amethyst is big and strong. This one is not the best example. Something is clearly wrong. You must
Give it to me on one foot.
Dear Diary, I believe I'm a good person. You know, I think that there's good in everyone, but here we are. First day of senior year! And I look around at these kids that I've known all my life and I ask myself, what happened?
Freak, slut, burnout, bug eyes, poser, lord ass.
I've tried really, really, really hard to be your friend. Always put myself out there, thought of your feelings, told people I know she gives off serial killer vibes, but she's really just shy. I never asked you to do that. You didn't have to because that's what friends do. They don't have to be asked. And the fact that you don't know that says everything.
That's cool, but if my friends ask where you are, I'm gonna say she went down in an airplane, fried, getting suntan, and in a cement mixer full of quicksand. Help me, I'm no good at goodbye. She met a shark underwater, fell in love with Carter. I returned everything I ever bought her. Help me, I'm all out of line and ways to say that.
Are you coming to the tree? They strung up a man, they say we running free. Strange things that happened here, stranger would it be? We met at midnight in the hanging tree.
I'm tired of holding on. Hear me when I say, don't blame it on the keys. Don't blame it on the keys. Don't blame it on the keys. Don't blame it on the keys.
It starts with
one thing. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you tried. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch it.
Still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars, the 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart.
While I die, why would you ever kiss me? I'm not even half as pretty. You gave her your sweater, it's just polyester.